Okay, if we unzip this one, iron goes up here. Phosphate goes over here. Phosphate is 3-, so this is iron 2 phosphate. Okay, let's unzip this one. Copper goes here. Sulfate goes over here. This is a 2-. There is an understood 1 that goes there. The 4 is part of sulfate, so it does not move. This is copper 1 sulfate. Okay, magnesium is Mg as a 2+ charge. Hydroxide, a polyatomic OH1-. Mg parentheses OH2, magnesium hydroxide. Ammonium nitrate, ammonium polyatomic ion, NH4 1+. Nitrate also a polyatomic NO3 1-. Equal and opposite charges, NH4 NO3. Okay, iron 3 phosphate. So this tells me iron's charge is 3+. Phosphate is PO4, it is 3-. They are equal and opposite, FePO4. Potassium is representative, it's always 1+. Permanganate, polyatomic, MnO4, it's 1-. KMnO4. Potassium permanganate. Copper 1 sulfate. Copper is 1+. Sulfate is SO4 2-. Cu2 SO4. 2 comes down there, the 1 goes behind there. Copper 1 sulfate. Okay, iron 2 nitrate. Iron, in this case, is 2+. Nitrate is NO3, it's 1-. Fe NO3 parentheses 2. Magnesium phosphate. Magnesium is Mg, it's 2+. Phosphate is PO4, it's 3-. So Mg3 PO4 parentheses 2. That 2 goes there, 3 goes there. Okay, we unzip this one. Iron goes up here, the hydroxide goes here, 3 goes here, and that understood 1 goes there. That is the charge of hydroxide. So this is iron 3 hydroxide. Okay, calcium is representative, so this is simply calcium chlorate. Okay, this is a molecular compound. So we have carbon tetrabromide. We have another molecular compound. This is diphosphorus pentoxide. Okay, we have another ionic with a transition. So as I unzip this, this goes here, the 2, understood 1 goes there, fluoride is 1-. So therefore this is copper 2 fluoride. Transition metal again, so copper, iodine goes over here, this understood 1 goes there, that understood 1 goes there. And so this is copper 1 iodide. Alright, so we have tin 4, so tin with a 4+. Sulfide is S2-, and so Sn, and the 2 comes down here, and then S, and that 4 comes here, but it's not reduced. We must reduce that. Notice they're both divisible by 2, so it is SnS 2. That is tin for sulfide. Okay, if we unzip this one, you have iron, you have phosphorus. Understood, 1 goes there, 1 goes here. However, if you look at phosphorus, its charge should be 3 negative. If you triple the second one, you must triple the first one. This is iron 3 phosphide. Okay, we have PbO, so lead goes over here, oxygen goes here, 1 minus, 1 plus, except for we know oxygen is 2 minus, so lead has to be 2 plus in this instance. This is lead 2 oxide. Calcium is 2 plus, fluorine is 1 minus, CaF2. Okay, silver nitrate. Even though silver is a transition metal, it is one that has a representative charge. Silver is always 1 plus. And so there is no Roman numeral involved. Silver is 1 plus, nitrate is NO3, it's 1 minus. AgNO3, equal and opposite, they cancel. Silver nitrate. Okay, all nonmetals, so sulfur dioxide. Here we have representative metal. Calcium is always 2 plus. Oxygen is always 2 minus. CaO. Sodium is always 1 plus. Sulfide is 2 minus, so the formula is Na2S. The 2 goes there, 1 goes over there. Zinc is a transition metal, but once again, it is one that has a representative charge. Zinc is always 2 plus. So you don't have to say zinc 2 because there's only one form of zinc, that is zinc 2. Iodide is 1 minus. So when you cross them, ZnI2. 2 goes there, 1 goes over there. Okay, barium. Barium's charge is 2 plus. Nitrate, NO3, is 1 minus. BaNO3 parentheses 2. Okay, because the metal is representative, I don't have to do any unzipping or anything, I can just name it. This is aluminum nitride. Okay, same thing with this one. Sodium is a representative metal, so you just name it. Sodium sulfide. Lead does not have a representative charge, so we need to unzip it. Pb goes there, Cl goes here. Understood, 1, the 4. So this is lead 4 chloride. Okay, chromium is a transition metal. In this instance, it has a charge of 3 plus. Sulfide is just sulfur, it's 2 minus. So Cr2S3. Gold 1 phosphide. So gold's charge in this instance is 1 plus. Phosphide is just phosphorus, it has a 3 minus charge. So Au3P. Gold 1 phosphide.